it's hard from this angle. But you see all of these guys, these are bud sites. And as you take a look at the top of the plant here, you see a lot of more of those bud sites. And those are going to turn into the fattest, greasiest nugs that you'll probably ever see. Now, welcome to the Intro to Cannabis Business for Beginners mini workshop, a specially designed introduction to one of the most explosive industries in recent modern history. You'll be able to use this workshop as a guide and a starting place to get your first or your 20th cannabis business off the ground. Upon completion of this workshop, you will be equipped with definitions and strategic action items to help bring your cannabis business to life faster and with more staying power. My name is Lorenzo McNulty. I'll be your instructor at the Cultivation Academy. I was once in your shoes, aware that I need to make a move in the cannabis business, but unsure of where to get started and what information I needed or with whom I could consult. After making every mistake in the book, in the business and in the cultivation side, this workshop came about to help you avoid the money pits and the other time wasters to help you get ahead and stay ahead. In this workshop, you'll get 3 valuable strategic lessons helping you to avoid wasting valuable time, hard-earned money, and confidence in your business. In the upcoming lessons, we will cover 3 things: defining cannabis businesses, the $22 billion small business, and the 3 profitable cannabis niches that you can dive right into and start seeing profit as soon as today. Without further ado, turn on your listening ears and grab your note takers. Let's grow.